this tutorial. In this video, we are going to take a look at how to navigate to the expense application and how to access the basic features such as the search bar and the summary card view within the expense application. Once the user has logged into KEBS, the user can simply click on the More Apps option and search for the expense app. The user can also pin the app for accessibility. Once done, the landing page of the expenses app is displayed. Here, the user can search any particular expense claim that has been raised already by typing in the keywords. Also, the user can click on the refresh button in order to reload all the claims that has been created. The summary card view can be accessed here, where all the details about the total expenses that have been created, the total claims that have been approved, the money that has been processed, and a holistic view of all the transactions that has taken place is displayed. Apart from this, for admin access, the user can simply click on the admin button, where if the persona is an admin persona, all the claims that has been created within the organization can be displayed for the same. In order to view a particular person's approval history based on his persona, the user can simply click on the approval history and all the approved claims will be landed on the landing page. Thank you for watching.